The next example is now find the surface area of the solid generated when one arc of the cycloid x is equals to a into theta plus sin theta, y is equals to a into 1 minus cos theta revolves about x axis. For this it is already mentioned this is cycloid, so we consider the equation of cycloids. That is, first equation is, let the equation of curves are x is equals to a into theta plus sin theta, y is equals to a into bracket a 1 minus cos theta. Then differentiate with respect to theta, so we get now dx upon d theta is equals to a into 1 plus cos theta, dy by d theta is equals to a into sin theta. Then ds by d theta is equals to formula under root of dx by d theta square plus dy by d theta square. Therefore apply the value, so a square is square 1 plus cos theta square plus a sin theta, that is plus a square sin square theta. Now we are getting here the derivatives now, and by putting values we get this equation. From this I have taken a square to be common, so 1 plus, and take its expansion according to a plus b bracket square. So therefore a square plus twice ab plus b square, and this sin square. So sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is fundamental identity. This is equals to 1. So therefore 1 plus 1 become 2. So a square into bracket 2 plus 2 cos theta. Again take 2 as a common. So I have taken 2 as a common. So 1 plus cos theta. Then 1 plus cos theta is a, we can convert, apply its submultiple formula. So 1 plus cos theta is equals to 2 cos square theta by 2. So again 2 2s are 4. So that is 4a square cos square theta by 2. Now all are in square, so take its square root. So that become here 2a cos theta by 2. Now this is regarding with ds by d theta. Now we have to see the actual condition. Now if I see the figure now here, the point is now here, this is pi, here this is 0, and here it is pi. So therefore the region is converted into two parts here. And if I consider from positive quadrant from 0 to onwards, then the limit varies from 0 to pi here. So therefore now surface area of revolution about x-axis, then theta varies from 0 to 0 to pi. Surface area, the area is converted into two parts or getting distributed into two parts. Therefore this will be 2 into 2 pi integration 0 to pi y ds by d theta into d theta. So 2 2s are 4 pi, 0 to pi, a into 1 minus cos theta, 2a cos theta by 2 d theta. After applying this now, next part is now, next portion is take its integration. So therefore then 4 pi is equals to 0 to pi, I have converted 1 minus cos theta into 2 sin square by theta by 2. So 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, pi a square all are constant, 0 to pi sin square theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Again if I see here, then the function is converted into the form integration fn x f dash x dx, then its integration become fn n plus 1 x upon n plus 1. So here degree of sine is f of x, therefore its degree is n value is 2. So therefore by applying the integration, that become here now, then it become here 16 pi a square, then sine cube theta by 2 upon 3 from the 0 to pi. Then after applying the limit, we takes apply the function with upper limit, that is 16 pi a square, a function with upper limit minus function with lower limit. As it is upper limit is pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1, and lower for sin pi by 2 is 1, and for lower limit it is 0. So therefore we cannot consider. Then 1 into this 16 pi, therefore this will be equals to 16 pi a square by 3. So this is the answer of given term. Now next part is now regarding with the polar form. As we have seen for Cartesian, then parametric, next type is now polar form. So therefore find the surface area of the solid formed by the revolution of the cardioid. Now here we are considering cardioid. R is equals to a into 1 plus cos theta about initial line, theta is equals to pi by 2, or about only initial line. Now let the cardioid is r is equals to a into 1 plus cos theta, then apply dr by d theta. Therefore a, as it is cos theta's derivative minus, so therefore minus a sin theta, then ds by d theta is under root of r square plus dr by d theta square. Then r square is value this, take its x square, then this value. Now this is my cardioid. We have know how to draw this cardioid. Then after squaring we get, now this is a square is common, or a square, this will be a plus b bracket square. So take its expansion 1 plus 2 cos theta plus cos square theta, This is a square sin square theta. A square is common here. Then cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. So therefore 1 plus 2 cos theta plus 1. So that will be 2 plus 2 cos theta. 2 is common. Again 2 into cos square theta by 2. Therefore this will be 2a cos theta by 2. As also theta is equals to 0 in initial lines. Hence theta varies from 0 to pi. If I see the diagram here, okay, then this is my initial line. I consider this will be on this diagram, so therefore theta varies from 0 to pi. So therefore the integration is equals to SA is equals to now 2 pi 0 to pi y ds by d theta. Then apply the values now. Y is equals to now here, apply the values now, y into ds by d theta, but here in polar form, applying the values we get now 2a cos theta by 2 d theta into r sin theta. Instead of y here it should be r is here, r into ds by d theta. So r value is equals to here conformly r sin theta. So therefore applying the values now, a into this way we get now here a into 1 plus cos theta sin theta 2a cos theta by 2 d theta. Then after applying the values we have to take its integration now. Therefore this become here 2 pi 2a square 2 pi 2a square 0 to pi, then 2 cos square theta by 2 cos theta by 2 sin theta d theta is given here. So this become cos square into cos cube theta by 2. So therefore this 2 and 2 8 pi a square 0 to pi cos cube theta by 2, then 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 d theta. I have converted this sin theta also in terms of submultiple angle. So cos square raised to 4 theta by 2 sin theta by 2 d theta by 2. Again due to this 8 2s are 16. Now minus 2 times 16 pi a square, because we know that the derivative of cos is now minus sin. So therefore I have arranged here minus sign. So therefore this due to this these are 2 minus here. If multiply minus become plus. Then after that we get this is function and its derivative. Therefore by applying that 16 to the 32 pi square, take its derivative integration, that will be cos raised to 5 theta by 2 into 5 upon 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is the coefficient, and function with upper limit minus function with lower limit. Cos pi by 2 is equals to 0. So this value is now here 0 and this value is equals to 1 here. So this will be 32 pi a square by 5 minus 1. So this will be 32 pi a square by 5. So in this way we find the surface area for polar also. In next lecture we will start the new topic, that is volume of revolution.